Hi, this is Home's Guide. Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of microwaves to find the absolute best microwave oven for your kitchen. Whether you're a culinary enthusiast or simply need quick meals on the go, we've got you covered. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share for more content like this. Let's get started. Number 1. Toshiba Countertop Microwave Oven, a game changer for your kitchen. With its sleek design and powerful 1100W output, this appliance is a must-have for any culinary enthusiast. The 1.2 cubic feet capacity and 12.4-inch removable turntable provide ample space for all your cooking needs, while the smart humidity sensor ensures perfect results every time. Featuring 12 auto menus, including a mute function and eco mode, this microwave offers convenience and efficiency. Its easy clean interior saves you time and effort, leaving you with more time to enjoy your delicious creations. Available in a stylish black color, the Toshiba microwave oven combines functionality with elegance, making it a standout addition to any modern kitchen. Number 2. Black Plus Decker's digital microwave oven with turntable push-button door is a sleek addition to any kitchen, boasting both style and functionality. With its spacious 1.4 cu.ft capacity and turntable feature, it effortlessly accommodates large dishes for quick and efficient heating. The push-button door ensures easy access, while the child safety lock provides peace of mind for families. Its stainless steel design adds a touch of elegance, seamlessly blending into any modern kitchen decor. Whether you're reheating leftovers or defrosting ingredients, this microwave delivers consistent results with its digital controls. Black Plus Decker once again proves its commitment to quality and innovation, making this microwave oven a must-have appliance for every home. Number 3. Farberware Countertop Microwave, a compact powerhouse designed to revolutionize your kitchen experience. Boasting 700 watts of power and a 0.7 cubic feet capacity, this microwave delivers efficiency without sacrificing functionality. Its sleek retro black design complements any space, making it ideal for apartments and dorms alike. LED lighting illuminates your cooking process, while the child lock feature ensures safety for all users. The easy clean gray interior simplifies maintenance, guaranteeing hassle-free usage. Whether you're heating up leftovers or cooking a quick meal, the Farberware Countertop Microwave is your go-to solution for convenience and style. Number 4. GE 1.0 cu.ft Microwave Oven with Air Fryer, Broiler, and Convection, a powerhouse of culinary convenience. This stainless steel marvel boasts a mighty 1050W of power, ensuring swift and efficient cooking. What sets it apart? The trifecta of air fryer, broiler, and convection functions, transforming your kitchen into a culinary playground. From crispy fries to succulent roasts, it delivers restaurant-quality results at home. The spacious 1.0 cu.ft capacity accommodates family-sized meals with ease. Sleek stainless steel design adds a touch of sophistication to any kitchen decor. With intuitive controls and versatile cooking options, the GE microwave oven is a game changer for busy households craving gourmet meals in a flash. Number 5. Panasonic Red 4-in-1 Microwave Oven, a culinary powerhouse that revolutionizes your kitchen experience. With its sleek stainless steel design, this appliance not only adds a touch of elegance to your space but also boasts versatility like no other. The 1000W power ensures speedy cooking, while the integrated air fryer feature lets you indulge in guilt-free crispy delights. Equipped with convection bake and broiler functions, it's your all-in-one solution for baking, roasting, and grilling. Thanks to the inverter technology, every dish emerges perfectly cooked, preserving flavors and textures. With a spacious 1.2 cubic feet capacity, cooking for the family is effortless. Elevate your cooking game with the Panasonic Red 4-in-1 Microwave Oven, where innovation meets convenience. In conclusion, selecting the best microwave oven depends on various factors such as size, features, and budget. Whether you're a culinary enthusiast or simply seeking convenience, finding the right microwave can enhance your cooking experience. Remember to consider your specific needs and preferences before making a decision. Thanks for watching. For more insightful content on kitchen appliances and cooking tips, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to like and share this video.